N-Trak layout courtesy of 4th Division, Pacific Northwest Region, NMRA. So here we are, the beginning of the N-Scale N-Trak operations layout at the PNR convention here in Tacoma, Washington.
Hey Alex, did you see this bulletin board, or what do they call it?
Quite the extensive yard to begin here.
That has the train picture on top of it.
Oh.
And it says train.
And the convention committee chairman,
I saw that.
Kurt Laidlaw, is having fun with an RS3. At least I think it's an RS3. Looks like it.
What's that? National N-Scale.
This layout is available for attendees to come in and get some operations training and learn how to move trains on a railroad in something more than just a circle. How to take cars out, drop them off, pick them up, all that sort of thing.
Look underneath.
Wooden Village.
Yeah, it's got all kind of motion and stuff. Yeah, no,
This is Lewiston.
Yeah, I don't know what, how do you?
We'll just take the lights off Chesterfield.
Well, actually, you know, somebody, hang on.
There's a nice corner module with industry.
You see it, pull the plug.
Chari Brothers, or not sure how that's pronounced.
42 different
Chair Brothers.
sequences that you can choose.
Box and crate.
One at a time.
I
In
smell
order.
model
And
railroad
if you go past
puns.
the one you like, you have to press 42.
We have
times
West
to
Chesterfield.
get back to.
I
like number 7.
You mean it's not random access? That's cool.
It's a push button.
Oh, geez.
Where's the?
Oh, and the lights just came on.
Yeah.
Let's look at this from both directions.
I found it with you, but don't put them on top of my head. I have the straps and stuff. You may use it when I'm flying.
Smile, Al. You're on semi-candid camera.
So when I'm flying, but the nice part is that it's in my phone, so I can turn it on and off and see what I'm video.
Well, I came around and smiled, and you went away.
A lot of people don't know you can highlight it in PDF. You don't have to get a marker into it.
And we have
A lot of people don't.
Easton,
Good.
the full collection of turnouts with Caboose Industries throws on the front of the
Wait,
layout.
I want you to do take 2 and get my smokestack for you.
Whoa.
You went right by it.
Actually, I bumped into the factory. That is the first actual useful smoke I've ever seen on a layout.
Yesterday, we had a small.
And it appears to be remote controlled, because Al is actually halfway across the room almost.
Through DCC.
A DCC controlled smokestack.
Yeah.
Has anybody told Jeff Bunza about this? That
It
would
used to be controlled with a push button. It cost $1.
now it takes
it's
$100
controlled
throttle.
with a DCC decoder and a relay for $70.
Now, can you switch it?
I can turn it on from over here instead of from over there.
Sure enough.
Yes, 100 and, what's the latest count, Al? 189, 192?
People?
No, times that we put this together in different configurations.
Oh, I haven't gone that high. I thought we were 120.
I thought somebody said 180.
Oh, I don't know that.
It's a lot.
It's
A lot of taking.
But it's, our goal is to never put it together twice the same way.
Oh, that's cool.
And so far we haven't.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Now, have you written down all the configurations you put it down in order
Actually
not
have a
to?
book over there in the corner for you to peruse. You
Okay,
can look,
great.
you can leaf through all the, wait, where is that book? There was a
A
blue notebook over there somewhere.
Track crossover. Now that is impressive. Okay, so that is Train Yard Mall, Recycling America's Railroad History. Okay,
I had a bunch of steam barrel buildings.
I think I went to a restaurant and a freight house down in
Bring it up
KC,
to-
Kansas City
Any
in
questions I can answer for you?
2018.
No? Hang on, look.
I think that was it, at the convention there, train show. Low quality ciders, which is not only a pun, but a play on the name of the guy who probably created it.
No,
No.
Really, it's just in honor of.
it's in honor of the guy.
In honor?
In honor of the guy who got me to join the group.
Aha.
Oh.
So this is one of Kurt's modules.
Yeah.
Okay.
Al got me.
And that next one is Dennis's. But Kurt wouldn't print a paper for it.
That's because Dennis didn't provide the information for his.
Dennis is the gentleman in the contest room?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I've met him. How many modules are in this? Currently-
34?
Currently
Something like
installed?
that, Yeah, 34, 35.
All different people or several people do several?
Some people do a whole lot, some people do just one.
So how many?
Spotted fowl ales. There's definitely an alcoholic trend to this layout.
15 people right now. Of which about 4 are active.
Pure oil.
Wow.
I mean,
I think we got 20 on the roster.
okay. Yeah, we've got about 8 of us that,
Build a lot.
well, show up to shows, put it together and tear it down.
Very
It's
nice.
been around a lot.
Oh, yeah.
I started 22 years ago.
It wasn't so long ago.
Well.
Sorry about that.
And we have a bit of a break in the
It
action.
was still a lot longer. No, we were doing.
There is actually an operations rule about using the MV Tacoma ferry. The ferry can hold 12 50-foot cars. Locomotives are not allowed on the ferry or ferry apron. Flat cars are provided near the ferry to use as handles.
No, no. We didn't.
Explosive or toxic tank cars cannot be loaded next to each other. Drape the chains across the rails after loading to keep cars from rolling off when the ferry is moved.
And that was.
And there's more.
We were that one. But it's, no, I mean, it's the years go so fast.
Yeah.
It's scary.
Unless you're setting up and tearing down modules.
Oh,
Then it
yeah.
takes a lot longer.
But this is really nice.
And here's Black River Yard West. And the center.
How's that logo working?
In the east. And I apologize for any bumpiness to this video. I did not bring my gyro stabilized unit with me. I should have. So this is my original GoPro on a stick.
Everybody's got room for.
180 farms, which is an appropriate name for a farm in the middle of a 180-degree turn curve.
Is bigger than most people's houses.
So Brian West,
Yeah. We've gone to all of these.
and then across to O'Brien East.
You know, we were outside.
And then appropriately Otis is where the Otis elevator is.
That's why he marked it in red
I don't know.
and green.
And unfortunately the lights aren't currently turned on here.
Yeah.
or they're having issues. So this is not very brightly lit, but it is end of track.